Throughout the course of a school year, elementary teachers complete running records on each student. Running records gather data on errors, self-correction, and miscues. This course will focus on miscues in a running record. In this module, you will identify the 3 types of miscues, discuss the miscues in a collaboration. So, what are miscues? A miscue is a specific type of error when reading. There are 3 types of miscues when marking a running record. They are meaning, syntax, and visual. The data gathered on miscues from a running record will demonstrate a student's reading strengths and a student's reading weaknesses. Let's dive into the miscues. A meaning miscue is asking, does it make sense? The miscue makes sense within the meaning of a text, story, or pictures. The reader is attending to the text and has an understanding of the story and illustrations. Meaning miscue examples. Here are some examples of meaning miscues within reading. You can see from the miscues that the miscue does not change the meaning of the sentence. However, the reader is attending to these text and illustrations within a story. Syntax miscues, you should ask yourself the question, does it sound right? This means that the miscue makes sense within the context of the way we speak, and therefore the reader understands grammar, sentence structure, and the way language should sound. Here are some syntax miscues examples. Within these syntax miscues examples, you can see that the reader is understanding the way language should sound. Therefore, these are syntax miscue examples. Visual miscue, you should ask yourself, does it look right? The miscue matches the letters on the page or in the text. Therefore, the reader has an understanding of print and has letter sound awareness. Here are some visual miscue examples. As you can see within these visual miscues, the initial letter sounds are the same, which makes this a visual miscue. Guess the miscue. There will be a sentence displayed with a miscue, and I would like you to pause the video to determine which miscue is represented. The small cat was sitting quietly by the window. The small kitten was sitting quietly by the window. This is a meaning miscue because the miscue did not change the meaning of the sentence. Guess the miscue. The small cat was sitting by the window. The small cat was standing by the window. This is a visual miscue because the initial sound in the word is the same. Guess the miscue. The small cat was sitting nicely by the window. This is a syntax miscue because the reader was listening to the way it should sound in natural language. A love of reading is essential for elementary educators. Our job is to assist students in increasing their reading fluency, which will have an impact on their comprehension. A love of reading is essential.